Hello guys, welcome to this video. This is part 2 of travel guide writing. So I want to start again because the last content we did together, I forgot to save it and I don't have it now. So I want to generate another one. This is our book title. Where is the title? Here's our book title. And I asked Chatgpt to generate subtitle for me, the best, and this is the subtitle we are going to use: Towns, Trees and Ties from Portland. So we are using this. So now I'm going to use this title and this subtitle and generate a table of contents. Title, and subtitle. To generate the best research, accurate, and bestseller sellable outline. Let's wait. So this is the outline. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, 4. This is part 2. Chapter 6, part 3, part 4, and part 5, part 6. Wow, this is good. This is good. So contain a lot of information. So contain a lot. So we are just going to copy the table of contents. Let me copy it from our title. Let me copy it. Okay. This is it. This is our Google Docs. If you don't have it, you can download it from Play Store or Apple Store. Let me paste. So this is the outline of our book. This is the outline. It's somehow long, but it's okay. Okay, let's come back. Now, let me see. Now I want us to start writing our travel guidebook, like a travel guide, writer, researcher, searcher, professional, with years of experience should also sound like a local. Let me just leave it like this. I think this is okay. Okay. Wow. Thank you. So, Chatgpt joined the introduction with chapter 1 and 2. I want to do everything separately. Let me just say that I need everything to be done step by step, chapter by chapter. Please don't miss everything once so that you won't get confused and make mistakes. And wait for the respond. Let me go and copy the introduction, or let me start with this, how to use. See. Okay, it's generating. All these source that is including, let me ask it to be removing them because we are not going to place with this source's name. We are not going to use it in our book. Please delay removing the sources. Sources names from the contents we generated, and make sure you aren't using exactly everything you got from the site. Make sure to generate our content based on it, so that will be safe when it comes to post-publishing. Most sites are copyrighted. Their content. So when they do something that is very professional and follow Just wait. Let me check my battery. Okay, I'm running. I'm running down. That was okay. Let me copy the. Let me see. This is the mess. I'm not going to generate all the chapters. We just generate some so that the video won't be long. So this is chapter 1, contents. Before it's finished, let's copy chapter 2. This is chapter 2. So I'll stop at maybe chapter 3. Let's come copy chapter 1 and 2 together.